the graphic designing part. Okay, I have told you how we can use Canva for various works, whether you want to design a social media post, a poster, or maybe a logo, or maybe sticker, or any other thing. Okay, maybe you want to, for your caps or for your t-shirts, anything can be done with the help of this tool called Canva. Okay, this is very user friendly. You can use it very easily. All right. So but other tools like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, these all tools are very technical. Not everybody is able to learn these tools, and if you are able to learn them, then it will take a lot of time. Okay, so the alternative to that is Canva. So you can use Canva very easily. I have told you, I have not yet shared the screen. So you can you can do anything with Canva. You can I have also told you how to make reels with Canva. Okay, so uh, you can go to the client, you can ask some client, or wherever you, if you are working, then you can ask your your business owner to give you some reels to modify, to edit, and to repost it on the social media. Okay, so everything you can do with Canva. Now, up till now, we have done, and also I have told you in the last class that was on Friday, we discussed about some of the this thing AI tools. Okay, so what were the AI tools that we discussed that day? These were basically Chat GPT. First of all, we discussed about Chat GPT. Okay, so this is the tool that we discussed that day. Just a minute. Okay. So we discussed about ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT. Here you can write anything what you want from ChatGPT, and it will give you the answer. Okay. So similarly, if you want to, if you think that I don't know how to write in English, so you can even speak. Okay, you can even click this button and speak, and chat gpt will automatically translate it and give you the answer, also in any of the regional languages, whatever language you want: English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, anything. It will give you answer in that particular language only. Moreover, it can also generate images for you. Okay, see here on the left hand side, you have, just a minute, on the left hand side you have, if you want to if you want to get some answers, you can click on new chat. Okay, and here this is a plus button in which you can attach an image. Okay, for example, I want image similar to something what I already have. Okay, for example, if I click on, let's add first of all photos. Okay, so let me add a photo. Okay, like this one. I hope the screen is visible. Yes, the screen is visible to you. And suppose I want to create um, uh, another image like this, so I can just attach this image, and I can ask it to write a text in think bubble. Okay, or to simply create a think bubble. create a think bubble on the image. Okay, I want to create a think bubble on the like think bubble means like you must have seen in some cartoons, cartoon books or something, that the person is, or the this cartoon character is thinking of something. Okay, so let's give it a hit and see whether it is able to do it or not. I have given it a plain text and I am asking it to give me a think bubble on this image. Let's see whether this is able to do it or not. It will take some time, and as I told you, it can create only a maximum of 3 images per day. So if you want to create more images, then you can use another email ID, or you have to try out after 24 hours. Okay, so it is still creating. See, if you see this thing, that means it is still creating, thinking. Okay, see how nicely it has created. It has understood my concept that I wanted to create a think bubble on the image. So this is a think bubble, that this person or this character is thinking about something. Okay, so this is a bubble that has been created. Now if I want, I can download it. If I want, I can share it on WhatsApp or any other platform. I can copy the link also. I can share it on X, LinkedIn, Reddit, or may even download it straight away. So see how beautifully it has given me the character. So I hope this is understood clearly. Okay, and so this is how you can do it and what you can do it. Moreover, you can also write coding. So if you know the if you are aware of Python language or coding, if you are learning coding or something like that, and you want to create some app or some website, a coded website, custom coded website, then you can do it with the help of ChatGPT only. Okay, so let's see what apps do they support. So they support ChatGPT supports basically these apps. Okay. Okay. So these are the things what you can use in your daily life with the Canva. And also you can see here your chats. So these chats will be available to you all the times, uh, whether you see them 1 month after, or maybe 1 year after creating this document or this thing. You will be able to find all your documents right over here. It is not like that you have once created. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so this is what you can do with Canva. All right, then another AI tool that we discussed uh, was Gemini. Okay, it is the product of Google itself. So you can use Gemini in the same way as you have been doing with ChatGPT. But the more important and the more features in Gemini are that it will give you real time information. Okay, it will give you real time information of whatever you are searching for. And also you can create image. Okay, so let me give it a prompt. So I'm saying that generate an image of a 7 to 8 years old boy in Disney Disney style. Okay, so I have just given it a prompt that generate an image of a boy, of say of an Indian boy, of an Indian boy, Indian 7 to 8 years old boy in Disney style. So let's see what it gives to you. So I am clicking on create image, or you can also go from here and search for, take the create image. And now it will take help of another outside tool which is called as Nano Banana. Nano Banana is also a product of Google. Okay, so as you can see with the image, banana is there. So Nano Banana is one of the products of Google, and it will give you image of this. So let's see what image does it gives you when we click here. Let's find out. Okay, so this is a generic image what it has given to us. Okay, this is a 3D image. If you want to still edit it, so I can edit it, generate a 3D image. I'm saying 3D image of an Indian 7 to 8 year old boy in Disney style. Okay, boy. If I want to further describe the boy, that what kind of clothes is he wearing or something like that, I can also describe it. Boy is wearing a blue or a yellow t-shirt with white shorts, white color shorts. Okay, he has uh, he holds some, say what does he hold, let's say what kind of toy should I write. He holds a bat, a cricket bat in his hand. Okay, so we have asked it to generate a 3D image of an Indian 7 to 8 year old boy in Disney style. Boy is wearing a yellow t-shirt and white color shorts, and he holds a cricket bat in his hand. Okay, and also he has short hairs, well dressed. Okay, so we have given this command. So let's update it and see what new image do we get. Okay, so see here, this is a perfect image what you have got. See the difference between the previous image and this one, this image. So now new image, 3D style of image. Okay, 3D style of image, and this boy is holding a bat in his hand and a ball is lying there on the floor, and he is wearing yellow t-shirt and white color shorts. Okay, he has short hairs and he is well dressed. So as per whatever description we gave it, see here, whatever description we have given it, it has generated in the similar manner. It has given the image in the similar manner. Now what you can do, you can download it in the full size. So for example, if I download it, Okay, so here it is. Let's click on it and see. Okay, great. So this is looking very good. Okay, for now I am deleting it. Okay, and now what I can do, I can copy this image. Okay, and I'm writing it, I'm again pasting it over here. So I have pasted it, and now I want, what do I want? I don't want image. I want some, just a minute. I want to generate this thing, video. Okay, so let me click on it. Just, okay, this is Gemini. All right. So Gemini can only generate images for you, but not the videos. Okay. So if you want to create videos, then you have to go to, so I downloaded it, but I deleted it accidentally. So let's download it again and go to another platform, which is another AI tool, which is called as Meta AI. Okay. Okay. So here it is. And now we want to create something. It is asking you to log in. So we can log in from our account. Let's do it for one time. Let's connect it through Instagram. See, this Meta AI, Instagram, Facebook, all are the same products of the same company, which is Meta. Okay. So Meta is a company. That is why it is asking you uh, to log in either through Facebook or Instagram only, not through Google. Okay, let it open. Okay, here we are on the Meta AI. So let's, I hope the image is downloaded. Yes, now it is downloaded. So let's take it here. Okay. Now I want to, what do I want to do? I want to generate a video. Okay. So I am just clicking here. Let it upload first. Okay, it has been uploaded and I'm clicking on create video. Okay, just animate it and you will get a video out of this text. This boy will be playing some actions. Okay. Okay, see, now see how beautifully the video has been generated. Okay. So similarly, you can generate other images also, and then you can merge them with first of all create the image, then animate it so that it can get converted into video, and then you can use it as it is, just like you see cartoon films, maybe on YouTube or maybe on some television channels. So these are those these are how they are created nowadays. Okay. You can merge them in a video editing software, and then you can create a cartoon animation film also. Got it? So I hope this is looking fine with you. If you are satisfied with this video, then you can obviously download it. So see here, from here you can simply download it. If you think that it needs some changes, then you can obviously make some changes. How to make changes? There are some styles. So you can choose from here. You can choose some styles, like here. There are some styles. You can even browse a lot of styles. Mm, say, let me see. I haven't tested them, so I don't know how do they actually work. So let's give it a try and see how do they work. Okay. So it is still in progress. See here, it is still in progress. Okay. Okay. Now see, we changed the style. we have we have restyled this boy, and now see how this boy is looking like a superhero. This boy is now looking like a superhero, and we have restyled him. So the style has changed. So if you want to change the restyle this boy, and you think that now this style is looking better, then you can use this style for funny videos or something like that. Okay. Here also, actually I haven't used it, so I was not that sure about it. So similarly, you can use any other style. Okay. Uh, so if we type boys, so maybe they give you some styles for boys. Okay, so they are not giving it. Superhero, superhero, no style. Okay, only limited styles are given, I think. Okay, I think there's a spelling mistake. Superhero. Okay, so only one character is available for superhero. Okay, okay. Let's type Batman. Okay, Batman is a very famous character. So let's see if we have it or not. No, it is not there. So that means only a limited nature or limited type of characters are available over here. Evil Witch, okay, Fedro, Dark Angel. So all these are the type of characters that are available, okay, in which you can convert. So let's restyle it, and let's restyle it according to what was the character name? I forgot. So it is still doing it in the background. If you want to add some music to it, you can also add some music, background music. Okay, whether you want to add some trending music, or maybe if you have saved some music previously, so you can do that. Okay. Okay, let's this goes with it, unstoppable. Okay, this goes with the video. So let's see. Oh, so it has given us something really different, so we can't use it. All right, no problem. Let's add some music to it, and let's play it. Let's unmute it and add a music to it, and let's try unstoppable. Where was it? Unstoppable. Okay, if you don't find it, you can always search for it. Unstoppable. Unstoppable. Okay, here it is. Okay, now I think music has been added. Unstoppable. I don't know why it is not. Okay, maybe there is something. Okay, yes. Let's see. The music has also been added. All right. So you can see here the music is also added to this video. I hope everything looks fine. So this is how it works. And you can also design, you can also make these kind of videos and just assemble them into one, and then you can make a cartoon animation film also. I hope this is understood. And the third platform that we discussed was this thing. What was it? See, Copilot. Copilot. Okay. As I told you, Copilot is a product of Microsoft. So here it is. You can do many more things with Copilot. Okay. Just like you can add image or you can add files and just ask the answer. For example, if I add some question paper to it and I want to ask that please solve question number 5 for me, then it will solve the question number 5, but with a caution that it is not 100% necessary that whatever answer you get will 100% be correct. Okay, this is an AI, so it can always make mistakes, so you better be careful. Got it? So you have many things to do. You can ask it to think deeper. Okay, you can ask it to study and learn. You can create quizzes, you can guided learning and more, and you can search answers for advanced learning. Here on the left hand side you have open side panel. So here side panel will open up and you can here generate images. Here there is a library. Okay, you can just sign in and you can create an image. So here it is, create an image. Okay, if I just click on it, I can, it will ask me to first of all sign in, and it is verifying whether I am a human or a bot. Okay, okay, verify you are a human. So we are verifying it. Okay, so so similarly here we have said that we want to create an image, and what kind of image you want to create, that you can describe and you can make an image. Make an image a beautiful of a beautiful bird in a jungle. Make it, create a, first of all ask it to create a 3D image. 3D image of of a beautiful of a beautiful bird. Okay, make it in disney disney style. Okay, why I am giving it like this disney style and 3D, so that my images comes out to be in the 3D format only. Otherwise it will give you plain images. Okay, um, so let's give it a hit and see what it will give you. It will take few seconds and then it will create an image for you. Meanwhile it is creating, let me have some water. Okay, so now your image has been created within no time. Okay, so see how beautiful image it is looking, and in the background you can see that it is a jungle scene. Okay, and this beautiful bird is sitting on a tree. Got it? So if you want, if you are satisfied, you can download it. Okay, and if you are not satisfied, you can again make some change. Got it? So this is how you can edit this image. If you like it, you can also give them let this platform, let this AI tool know that you have got the right result, so that it will help them to improve their platform. Okay, if you don't like it, you can thumbs down, so that they can understand that it is a bad response. Bad response may be that the image is not of good quality, or maybe image is not as per what you specified in the prompt. Okay, so we have not specified any specific bird. Okay, so it has created it on its own. So it is written that create a 3D image. So this is a 3D image first of all. Okay, then it is written beautiful bird. So it is a beautiful bird also in a jungle. So this is a jungle scene. You can see around, you can make out that it is a jungle scene. And because there are dense, it is a dense trees, dense forest type of jungle. And make it in a Disney style. So Disney style means basically why I have used this Disney style. The reason is that it will give you this kind of image. Okay, 3D type of image. So I can also show you some images. Let me show you some images what I created out of this some of these tools. Okay, let me share it with you. Okay, so see here we have created some images using this. Okay, see, see, these are the animated videos that we created for a story. Okay, let's play it out again. See, all right, let's move on further and see. This image is also generated through AI only. Okay, uh, this image also, because we were creating a story basically. So for that story we have created a lot of images. Okay, that I'm just telling you how to create a story. See, See, this boy is coming from a village. Okay, he is walking through the road, and then he will find a gold coin. Okay, see, like this. Okay, so you can see here how beautifully we have created a story around it. Okay, and so can you do it. See, and now, I'll show you how to, and this one also, you can see. All right, so this is how you can create good stories and good characters using your chat gpt. Oh, sorry, using your AI tools. All right, so you can do whatever you want. You can create stories for children. You can create some other kind of comic stories. Okay, anything you can do. So I have told you how to do it. Got it? And what else is left? I think chat gpt we have discussed. This also we have discussed. Okay, so let me also tell you that here, you whatever, if you once you log in to your account, then you will find the history over here. Okay, what did you created, when did you create it, so all the history you can check back again. Okay, so these, click on these three dots and you can pin it, you can rename it, you can invite someone, send this copy to someone, summarize in a page what this image is all about, report it, or you can also delete it. Okay, this is a library. This is a library. You can see variety of images over here. Okay, just like we did it before. Okay, in case of meta AI, just like this restyling we used, so is the this, you can use these kind of styles once we log into the page. So we have not yet logged in, so you can also create podcasts, or maybe research reports, or maybe pages. You can do anything. You can create a blog, you can write an essay, you can write a poem. Okay, you can draft a letter. If you don't know how to draft a letter, then you can use this tool to draft a letter. Okay, now one more tool I want to show you, which is very important and also very interesting for you, and very informational and useful for you. So that is called as quillbot. Quillbot. Okay, so here is another AI tool which is called as quillbot. So let me not. Okay, now this is an all-in-one type of tool. Okay, uh, I I don't know whether you have heard about it or not. Okay, but it is a all-in-one tool. You can use any language which you want, maybe English. Okay, or maybe you can use any other language. Okay, there are no other Indian languages over here, so we'll use English, and in English also we have to use UK English. Okay, all right, so advanced version is a paid version, so Let's not use the advanced version, let's use the basic ones. Okay, so what you can do, you can you can, if you have copied some content from chat gpt. Okay, uh, let me write, let me write something. Okay, write 100 words blog on a usage of AI tools. Okay, just 100 words, it is not that big. I just want to show how we use quillbot. Okay, it is just generating it. Okay, so now it has already generated it. Let's copy this content. Okay, I don't want to use the same content in my blog. So what I will do, I'll paste it over here. And now what I will do, I will make it more humanizing means that I will make it look more realistic. Okay, so let's humanize it, and it will show you on the right hand side. See, okay, so now you can read it out, what you wrote initially, in the original, in the original format. And just a minute, let me refresh the page. All right, so let's copy it and paste it over here, and it will humanize it on the right hand side. So right hand side is blank, so I want to humanize it. So just click on humanize, and it will make it look more human written. Okay, as if some human has written this content, not an AI tool. Okay, you can read it out, and you can make changes wherever you feel like. For example, there is an underline under this, so if I click on this, so you can change the change this word, like AI tool helps professionals and students. In place of this, you can write AI tool both educators and learners. AI tool helps both educators and learners, or students and teachers, both educator and pupil, ed, students and professional. Anything you can write. Okay, I'm writing this one, I'm taking this one. So see, AI tool helps both educators and learners, so it has changed. So this is how you can make changes from for different at different places. So whatever seems to be in orange, so just click there, and it will change that word. You, whatever word you look, whatever word you feel like inserting, whatever word fits best, you can use that word. Okay, uh, for example, it is saying that tools for artificial intelligence are quickly changing how people are, how people and organizations operate. So instead of that, you can write how people and organizations are rapidly uh, are quickly changing. Instead of writing are quickly changing, you can write are rapidly transforming, or rapidly influencing, affecting, or are quickly altering. So whichever you feel like it is best fitting, you can use that. So I think this one is looking better. So we can read it again. Tools for artificial intelligence are rapidly influencing how people and organizations operate. Okay, now it makes sense. So if you this should, whatever you are changing, you have to read back again whether it is actually making sense or not. Okay, so this is one thing that you can do. I'm for now deleting it. Okay, once once you are happy with your changes, you can copy it and take it wherever you want to paste it. This is one this is one thing that you can do with this tool. Another thing is paraphrasing. See, paraphrasing. So what you can do with paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means mm, uh, um, spinning the text. You can change, you can mix up, you can blend this whole content, and you can make it a new content. Okay, the meaning will remain same, but the words will move here and there. Okay, so for example, you can you can see here it is giving you paraphrase. So let's paraphrase it, and you can do it wherever you feel like. You can make the changes, and once you are happy with all the changes, you can copy it. That's it, as simple as that. Here on the top are the modes. Modes means whether you want your text in the standard format, or in a fluency format, or in a more humanized format, or maybe formal, academic, simple, creative, expand, shorten, custom. What kind of mode do you want your content to be in? Okay, for example, I want my content to be shortened. Okay, so this is a premium tool. Shortening is a premium tool, so you cannot use it right now. Okay, simple. Let's see, simple is also premium tool. Academic is also a premium tool. Humanize, humanizing is also a premium tool. Okay, only you can use standard and fluency. These are the two tools you can use. Next, moving on. So I have told you what is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means changing the text, making it a new text altogether. Okay, so it will make a new text altogether, keeping the meaning and the essence of the content as same. Okay, so you can change the words here and there so as to make it a new content. All right, moving on to the next part. This is grammar check. So what is grammar check? Grammar check means if I am not good at English and I make a lot of mistakes I make a grammatical mistakes here and there. So I want this tool to check my grammar mistakes. Okay, so let's copy something. Uh, let's copy this thing. Okay, copy it, come back, paste it. Okay, and I am making some changes here and there. Because it so something like that, I have intentionally made some mistakes. Okay, now I want this tool to check my grammar where I have made a mistake. Okay, you can see here it will ask you whether you want to write this content for just for writing a task, or some academic journal article, ad copy, advertisement, or annual report, apology, or any other essay. Okay, so let's keep it simple and writing text, and let's check the grammar. Click on it, and it will show you if you have any grammatical errors in it. Okay, continue with writing. So see here, it has given you replace with. Okay, it is saying that replace the because word with some remove this because word. Okay, replace it with it's responsible. So wherever the see here wherever it is underlining, it is asking you to replace it. It means this it with its. Replace with so. Replace so with growth and growth. So this is what I made mistake. So accept it. Okay. Accept, accept, and everything is done. Okay. Now see, 100% grammar is correct. 98% fluency is there. 90% clarity is there. 96% engagement is there. And everything is perfect. So I hope you have understood the importance of this tool. Okay. Next, AI generator. So AI generator means that this tool will uh, detect that whether you have copied your content from AI or not. Okay. So for example, in some college or universities, you are given some projects and you are asked that you will not copy it from any AI tool. Okay. It should not be AI copied uh, report or something. So they will detect it. Okay. They will use this tool or maybe some other tool to detect whether the student has used some AI in writing their report or not. Okay. Then plagiarism checker. Plagiarism checker means that plagiarism again, plagiarism means that if you have copied the work of some other person, okay, something which is already written, and you have simply copy and pasted it with your name that it has been written by me, while the fact is that it was written by someone else. Okay. So this is called as plagiarism checker. So it will detect how much and which lines have you copied from somewhere else, and it will also show you from on the right hand side what part have you copied and from where. It will show you the website name also, that uh, this content is has been copied from this this website. Okay. AI humanizer, I have already told you that you have to, if you want to make your tool more humanized, you can use this tool. AI chat, you can chat with AI also. If you want some answers, if you want to quickly chat something with AI, you can use this AI chat tool. AI image generator, so you have to you can generate images, AI images here also. Okay. And most importantly, translate. So if you have something written in English and you want to translate it into Telugu, okay, you can easily use this tool to translate. Although I don't think that Telugu language is available, only a few languages are available, and not all Indian languages are available. Okay. And now here are some more tools what you can use. Okay. See, summarizer. So it will, if you have a long story, you can summarize it in short. It will give you a short story or a short like summary of something. Okay. So this is how you can use these tools. These are very interesting and very helpful tools which will make your work easier. Okay. These tools makes your workflow easier, but you should not 100% depend on these tools. Use your own mind, use your own senses, because these tools are only to help you, to assist you, not to replace your brains. Okay. So you should use your mind, you should use your brain, what you are writing, because AI is just a machine language. Okay. It has been trained. Okay. So if somebody is asking this question, you should answer this question, this answer. So see, this AI bot AIs are um, trained like that. Okay, so up till now we have seen how many tools are there for generating content. Also, we have seen best uh, best content generator tool is this thing, chat GPT. Then image generating tools are many, so you can choose Gemini or maybe Meta AI. Okay, and for rest of the other things, like if you are a researcher, if you are researching on something, then you should always use Quillbot, okay, for plagiarism checker, for AI detector. Because as I told you, in colleges and in universities nowadays, especially in the international universities, they use this tool, AI detector tool, to detect whether the student has written the content on his own, or they have simply copied it from some AI tool. Okay, and they will deduct your marks if your content is simply AI written without any changes. Okay, so it will detect how much percentage of your content is AI generated. All right. So with this, we have completed all the AI tools also. Okay. So now from tomorrow on, we are going to do, there are two, three topics which are left. First one is Google Ads. So maybe tomorrow we are going to start with the Google Ads. Okay, and one more important topic is that uh, Google My Business. So that is also very important topic. So but before that, we are going to start with the Google Ads tomorrow. Okay, so this is it for now. If you have any questions, you can ask me. No.